bed, she's calling my name. Catfish are jumping, that paddle wheel bumping, black water keep rolling on past just the same. Oh, black water keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, black water keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Oh, black water keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Yeah, keep on shining your light. Gonna make everything great. Mama gonna make everything alright. And I ain't got no worries, 'cause I ain't in no hurry at all. Well, if it rains, I don't care. Don't make no difference to me. Just take that streetcar, let's go in uptown. Yeah, I like to hear some funky Dixieland and dance a honky-tonk.
First Street.
And I'll be buying everybody drinks all
Took us
around.
almost 45 minutes to get to the first street. Oh, don't do that. Sorry, don't mean to be hostile or nothing.
You gotta grab the front of this thing, do something up there.
Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me? Keep on shining your light. Gonna make everything gonna make everything alright. And I ain't got no worries, 'cause I ain't in no hurry at all.
I'll get it anywhere I can.
We got wet, people!
Who got wet?
Scott fell in, so it's doing a little portage.
Oh no.
Getting on the canoe.
Where's the water spine?
Prepare for impact.
Don't hit us.
Okay, we're going.
And here we have one of the wet guys.
The bag right there, something to remember. A couple years from now, you look at it. Wow.
Can you steer us? You just might have to.
Oh, Chris, please be careful.
Don't make any sudden strange movements.
I wanna honky-tonk, honky-tonk, honky-tonk with you all night long. I like to hear some funky Dixieland, pretty mama, come and take me.
Here we are crossing under LaSalle Boulevard. A couple of hours, an hour, hour and a half into our trip, I'm assuming. Check the time when we get through on the other side. Oh, what the hell was that, Chris? Oh, be careful, man. No, just be careful keeping us straight and upright in here. What time is it, noon? Yeah, so we're about an hour and a half.
There's a bridge! Bart! There's a bridge! Hey, what you guys got?
I can see it now. The distant red neon shivered in the heat.
Tennis ball. I
I
want
was feeling like a stranger in a strange land. You know, where people play games with the night. It was too hot to sleep. I followed the sound of a jukebox coming from up the levee. All of a sudden, I could hear somebody whistling from right behind me. I turned around and she said, "Why do you always end up down at Nick's Cafe?" I said, "I don't know. The wind just kind of pushed me this way." She said, "Hey,
Oh, we better zoom in.
Yeah, through time stood still. You know, I think I'm gonna get down to Madam X and let her read my mind. She said that new stuff don't do nothing for me. I'm a man with clear destination. I'm a man with broad imagination. You walk the mind,
I've already been down.
you stir the soul. I can't find no control. Catch the blue train, places never been before. Look for me somewhere down the crazy river.
Coming up on King Street.
Catch the blue train, all the way to Kokomo. You can find me somewhere down the crazy river.
Happy birthday! Should we sing for him?
Did you hear that?
Mario's dead. Don't stand in a canoe. It's true what he says. Don't ever stand in a canoe. It's not safe. You shouldn't drink and drive canoes either. Okay, we're going. You could end up like Mario.
I said, no, I like it. I like it, it's good. She said, you like it, man. But you learn to love it later.
Watch, don't hit these guys!
Oh, shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Rick. You got a good picture of him here.
Turning 21 on the Mississippi River, heading out of New Orleans.
Guess it's gonna be our turn now.
The year is 1894. Oh, come on, mama, and love me some more. Her dark eyes flash like a gambler's rings. She shakes her pretty head and sings.
They went to the right, to the left,
Life for me is a riverboat fantasy, watching the sun go down. A rock and roll band with a reefer in my hand. Now look at that.
We saw that, Chris.
Cocaine kisses.
There's the wet boys.
Kisses. That's the life for me.
We'd like you to know right now
I'm sailing
that it was
away
not us that brought the water in. It's the canoe. For the record.
Can't think, can't
And this is what we're heading into.
I go to the river. It's so long, she just sitting in the catching the gleam in her eye. Showers of rain pouring down. The sun is gone like a French lace
Hold
gown.
on, we want to hook up with somebody.
I think I'm gonna fall.
Take us, no, take our canoe. Take our canoe. Take our canoe.
Fantasy, watching the sun go down.
We don't need no prayer.
We don't need no stinking prayer, man.
Now look at that.
I see a waterfall, man. I'm scrambling.
Cocaine kisses.
Is there a waterfall in here?
That's the life for me.
There's a sound, y'all.
I'm sailing away from my heart. On the river of fantasy.
No.
Delta sun beats down like a hammer. It gives the lowdown blues. I've got a cotton gin, a weave and spin. Shake the dust from my shoes. I made my money. I found a honey to tickle me under my chin.
Excuse me,
When
please.
morning comes, I ride into town.
Just coming through.
And back to shake my hand. Life for me say, watching the sun go down. A rock and roll man with a ring in my hand. Now look at that wheel go around. Cocaine kisses, moonshine misses. That's the life for me. Yes, it is. I'm sailing away from my heartache on the river of fantasy. Left a good job in the city, waking for the man every night and day. And I never lost a minute of sleep and worrying about the way things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning, proud mirror keep on burning.
I don't know.
Rolling, rolling, rolling on a river.
Oh yeah, we could.
Ain't a lot of plates in Memphis, pumped a lot of pain down in New Orleans, but I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on a riverboat queen. Big wheel keep on burning.
It's over. We get the rest of the year. Back into hibernation.
Okay, canoe critics, up the hill.
Yeehaw. Big city. Is he really fucked up or what?
Let it go, man. If it comes back to you, then it's yours.
Those guys did not eat their Wheaties.
Rolling, rolling, rolling on a river. If you come down to the river,
Actually, we can go to my place, Steve. Buddy's got a truck there.
Here we are, on your TV, whether you want us here or not.
Deal with that.
Yep. Enjoy the video.
Somebody had an interesting question to me tonight about my eyes.
Oh yeah?
They said,
What'd they say about